Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a minimal environment. Install Visual Studio Code and a C++ compiler, then add the C/C++ extension. Once done, make sure the compiler is on your path so the integrated terminal can invoke G++ or Clang. This avoids build errors later. Open a new folder for your project, create a main CPP file, and select the C++ extension for IntelliSense. These first actionable steps establish syntax highlighting, auto-completion, and the ability to compile from the editor immediately. Next, you configure how code is built and debugged. Create a tasks, JSON to run G++ with your flags, then add a launch. JSON so the debugger knows the executable path and any pre-launch task to compile first. Once configured, use breakpoints, step over and step into, and inspect variables in the debug panel. If your project uses CMake, switch to the CMake Tools extension, pick a kit and build type, and let it generate the correct build files so the IDE works with your existing structure. To finish, tidy workspace settings. Add include path, compiler path, and standard in CPP properties. JSON so IntelliSense matches your build. Run a full build, then test with the debugger and the integrated terminal. Make sure tasks and launch are saved in vscode so teammates inherit them. If you run into mysterious errors, rebuild the project, delete any cached build folders, and reset the IntelliSense database. Doing so clears stale symbols and usually resolves false errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.